Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily scan to Dropbox on your Canon TS8351 series. So first, what we want to do is basically go over to the Canon Cloud Printing Center. The site is right here at the bottom. As you guys can see, it's cs.c-ij.com. And here you need to log in with your Canon account. After that, you will be able to connect accounts for, let's say, OneDrive, Google, and what's interesting to us, Dropbox. And here we can select scan. And as you guys can see, we can just create something in here, like a new folder name. Let's click OK. And now here you guys can basically scan to that folder by selecting source and then the orientation, like portrait or landscape. And that's basically it. After a while it should all be scanned to your Dropbox, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.